back to the Voice News. I'm Palak with you. Gujarat. 16 people killed in fierce fight in COVID ward of Patel Hospital in Bharuch. 16 people died in this incident. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and the Chief Minister of Gujarat, Vijay Rupani have expressed grief over the accident Bharuch Hospital. A sudden fire broke out in the Corona Care ward at Patel Welfare Hospital in Bharuch city of Gujarat. On seeing the flames reach the ICU ward, seeing the fierce fire, a stampede occurred in the hospital. Quickly, rescue operations were started. Hospital patients came under fire. Fire brigade arrived at the information and started an effort to control the fire. 16 people died in this serious accident. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and the Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani have expressed grief. PM Modi has tweeted, I am suddenly and I am sadly by the human damage caused by the fierce fire in Bharuch Hospital. My condolences to the bereaved family. Home Minister Amit Shah was said in a tweet that I am extremely saddened by the fire accident in a hospital in Bharuch, Gujarat. I am expressed my deepest, saddest feeling to the families of all those who lost their lives in this incident and pray for the injured to get well soon. Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani has also expressed their sadness over the incident. In CM Rupani, it has announced to provide a support amount of rupees 4 lakh to the family of each suffering from this incident. This incident is being reported around 12:30 on Friday night. A sudden fire broke out in the COVID ward of Patel Welfare Hospital in Bharuch. It has been told that the ICU ward was the place where the fire broke out. The fire started spreading so fast that there was a very little time to evacuate the patients. By the time the patients were taken out, a large number of patients were engulfed in flames. At the same time, fire engines started arriving at the spot on the information of fire in the COVID care center. All the police officers reached the spot. The work of rescuing people trapped in the hospital has started. Zubair Patel, the trustee of Bharuch COVID Care Center, said that the incident is unfortunate, not only for us but for the whole of Bharuch. With the help of police, we are shifting patient to another hospital. He said that in this unfortunate incident of fire, 14 patients and 2 staff nurses, a total number of 16 people have died. It is being told that about 49 patients were admitted in the corona ward, out of which 24 patients were in ICU. According to Bharuch collector, 16 have died due to scorching fire, while the injured have been admitted to another hospital for treatment. At the same time, after vacating the Patel Welfare Hospital in a hurry, the patient here were shifted to another hospital. At the same time, it has not been known what are the reason for the fire is being investigated in this case. For the such information of all such news, do not forget to press bell icon and please do like, share and comment. Thank you.